Hi everyone, we're going to graph this system of linear inequalities, determine if it's bounded or unbounded, and label the corner points. For some reason this went off the page a little bit, but this last one here is x plus y is less than or equal to 8. This right here tells us that we're going to be bounded in quadrant 1. That's where x is greater than or equal to 0, and y is greater than or equal to 0. And these other four, we're going to use our x and y intercepts. Okay, so let's get started. And we're going to first be bounded by quadrant 1. So basically, the shading is going to occur in quadrant 1. Means we're shading this way. All right. And then the first equation we had was x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 1. So I'm going to use my x and y intercepts. When x is 0, y is going to be 1/2. And when y is 0, x is going to be 1. So it's right in here. And kind of graph that. Now it says greater than or equal to. And if I plug in 0, 0 here, that is not greater than or equal to 1. So we're going to be shading up. Anytime it says greater than, that's up or to the right-ish. And if it says less than, that means downward and leftward, that area. Okay, the next one we have was x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. So when x is 0, y is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when y is 0, x is 10. So we're going to go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then try to graph those together. Connect those two. Alright. And it says sand. And it's a solid line because it has the equal. That means you're kind of graphing downward and leftward, while we're still going to be shading in quadrant 1 because of the first equations. Now the next one was x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. So when x is 0, y is 2. And when y is 0, x is 2. So we can go up to 2 and 2. That. And I should have put 2 here. Alright, so let's connect those two. And this is also shading upward. So we're going to be shading in here. We almost have our region. Do we have any more? We have one more. We have x plus y is less than or equal to 8. That means when x is 0, y is 8. And when y is 0, x is 8. So we go to 8 and 8 here. And graph that one. Let's see. Okay. That's as good as it's going to get. Now this is shading downward too. However, you notice that the blue line, it's shading downward, so we can't shade in here because that doesn't satisfy all the equations. But we can shade in here, this area. So this would be going down. So there's our bounded area. If you want, you can just do, let me just do a different color. Cross hatches here, or you could just color it all in. And we have this. All right. So we have as our corner points, it's bounded, but here's our corner points here, here, and here. We have one here that we might need to check on, and this one. So let's get the ones that are easy. My y-intercepts were 0, 2 and 0, 5. And my x-intercepts were 2, 0 and 8, 0. The one I'm not sure about is this one. Kind of looks like it's 6, 2. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and do a system of linear equations with my purple and blue lines. So my purple one was x plus y, and I'm just going to write equals 8. And my blue line was x plus 2y equals 10. Now if I subtract both of these, you're going to get the x cancels. Y minus 2y is negative y. And 8 minus 10 is negative 2. So we do have y as 2. And if you plug this 2 back into this, we get 2 plus, and you can see that y would be, wait. Y is 2. So that means the x would have to be 6. So this point right here is what we thought it was, 6, 2. All right, and those are yours. Let me write it down, 6, 2. These are your 5 corner points. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.